Hey, what's up, people? This is Gwen, aka Dolan Hayes, and I'm back at it again. Okay? In the middle of a 2016 blizzard slash storm. For those of you that are wondering why I'm out here, that's just because this is a part of a project that someone dared me to do. So therefore, I am completing the second half of my video during this really bad winter storm, winter blizzard. Now, as you know of in my previous video, my first video, I came out to measure the snow. And at that time, the snow level was approximately 2 feet, which was 28 inches of snow, okay? Now, mind you, it's ice cold out here. It is bleeding out here. Believe me when I tell you, please believe. And the precipitation is really bad out here. The visibility is terrible, even with my protective gear covering my eyes. It's really, really bad. It's hard to see, hard to maneuver, and so on and so forth. There's really very heavy, wet snow, and it's just hard to get through. Okay, so hopefully everyone has been staying well and warm in your cozy homes and apartments, wherever it is that you are, and not be out here in this treacherous, dangerous weather, okay? So as you all know of, the city, the whole complete city and New York State has a complete travel ban. That means on the roads, there's no trains, there's no buses. Woo! By God. My goodness, it's freezing out here. God damn, it's cold out here in this motherfucker. Please. I wouldn't advise anyone to come out here because it is really, really dangerous. And that wind socks you in your face like a hard-ass snowball. Believe me when I tell you. So you don't want to be out here. So like I said, this is the second part of my video. And as you can see, I have my tape measure right here, my measuring tape right here. And when I came out before, it was approximately 2 feet of snow. Okay? So if you out here right now, please be careful. It is very slippery. The snow at this moment is very heavy. Very, very heavy and very wet. The visibility is bad. The precipitation out here is terrible and awful. Okay, so I'm gonna try to make this as quick as possible that I can to get this project over and done with. So, excuse me 1 second, I gotta wipe the screen off so you guys can get a clear shot of me. Okay, so as I sit here right now, as I stand here right now to try to complete my assignment, I am going to take the time out to measure the snow again. Now remember what I told you earlier. 28 inches of snow is basically about 2 feet of snow. Okay, so right now I'm going to measure the amount of snow that it is now, and this is approximately 4 hours later. Okay, so here's my measuring tape. I'm going to complete my job, and we will see the amount of snowfall within the last 4 hours. Okay, so let me do this. Let me hurry up and do this because it is extremely cold out here, and it is dangerous, and it is treacherous out here. Okay, so here's my measurement, and as you can see, that's over 2 feet of snow, sir. That's over 2 feet of snow.
How you doing?
I'm fine, thank you. That's approximately over 2 feet of snow. Okay, so that is my measurement, and it seems like the weather and the snow and the ice is just going to basically pick up. It has no signs of slowing down, And this is dangerous out here. So if you guys are on the streets out here, be safe and don't be hard-headed. Please don't be hard-headed, because it's really dangerous out here. And I wouldn't advise anyone, absolutely no one, coming out here to do this. You let me do my job and what I have to do. Okay, so I'm gonna just show and turn myself around so that you can actually physically see all the snow, how cars and street signs and light poles are just visibly, you can't see it. Okay, so that's basically part 2 that's covered from my video. And like I said, if you don't have to be out here, I wouldn't advise